Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So today is a different kind of video. You guys know I am a wig girl. That's the basis of my channel. But today I'm sharing this traditional minimal leave out sewing with you guys. So today's video is sponsored by Curlsqueen. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So I just got the desire to try a traditional sew-in. I've never had one in my life. But I've been influenced by TikTok. Like, I've just been hearing the girls talk about a lot of them are going back to traditional sew-ins, and I've never tried one before. So I feel like my natural hair has grown a lot this year, so I wanted to go ahead and try one. Because I feel like it's healthy enough to do that with the leave out. So this is going to be kind of vlog style a little bit because I'm going to be kind of talking in the car and showing you guys the whole process on my phone and stuff like that. But before we get into me getting this installed, because I just got this installed this morning, I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of the bundles. So I got two Kinky Straight bundles from Curlsqueen. And for some people, you're like, 2 bundles isn't enough, okay? But with the amount of hair that they put in their bundles, it was enough. Like, I didn't even use all of the hair that I got. So you'll see everything that came in the box, and I'll come back at the end and tell you guys like my initial thoughts about this hair and getting my first sew-in. So if you're interested in seeing this process and experiencing this with me, then just keep on watching.
I just wanna make you my, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Or let's pretend we stay just friends. Would you find some other guy when the night ends? What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you like you love.
Good morning, guys. So I'm coming to you guys vlog style. It is the day of my first sew-in. I'm pretty excited. So everything worked out. So I didn't think the bundles were going to come on time, so I've just picked up some from Amazon. And you can feel the difference with these, okay? So I got 3 bundles from this vendor on Amazon, and they are thin, and the ends are not like from the weft to the ends. It's not consistent. So I was hoping that my bundles would come in the mail, and they came yesterday. So I'm so glad they came. And I've been like doing research because I like obsess over something when I'm about to get it done, braids, whatever it is. And I feel like I have a pretty sensitive scalp, and a lot of people were saying you need to wash your bundles before you wear them because apparently some people don't do that. And I washed mine last night. I used the Mael Tea Tree. I used the Mael Rosemary and Mint shampoo, and then I used some, I think it's called Sense Hydrating Conditioner. And I let them air dry from midnight to 6:30 this morning. And then I picked up my Revlon blow dryer brush in this and dried them a little bit more. So they're ready to go this morning. So I'm excited about that. So, because some people say if you don't wash your bundles before you install them, sometimes it can make your scalp itch more and stuff like that. And I already have an itchy scalp to begin with, so I didn't want to have to fool with that. So I'm going to show you these bundles after I wash them. They're still like, look at them. I love that they're consistent from the weft all the way down to the end. That's what I'm talking about. I'll have to show you guys my Amazon bundles later. But this is what you pay for right here, because I got 3 bundles from the one from Amazon, and I'm only going to have to use 2 with these. So I love that they are thick all the way through. So I have 2 bundles of 20 inches here. This is Kinky Straight. You guys know I love Kinky Straight hair. It's double wefted. I think they said it's 150 grams. I'll have all the specs in the description box. But this hair, you can tell it's quality. Like, I didn't used to understand like the difference between bundles and stuff, but you can literally feel the difference here. So I'm excited to get this installed. And I did wash my hair last night as well, because I had braids in probably for a month, and my natural hair is growing. I'm just excited about trying something new. You guys know I love my wigs, but I wanted to try a sew-in. And I'm excited that Curlsqueen is sponsoring today's video. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is clean up my filming area so when I get back home, I can do my makeup and you can see the final look together. Super excited, y'all.
It's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights, wild nights. You work so hard, night and day, all of it so you can be the queen on Friday. It's Saturday and Sunday, Monday too. Like you own the room, everybody gonna turn their heads and look at you, yeah. What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough. Let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights, wild nights. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No. Tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights and high fives. High fives, yeah. And wild nights, you can't get enough. Some other guy when the night ends. What you gonna do about it? Tell you what, let's forget about it. You've got enough fancy friends and a way about you. Like your luck, it's never ever gonna dry up. No, tell you what, let's forget about it. You got it all figured out in a way about you. Like you can't get enough of wild nights, wild nights. You work so hard, night and day, all of it so you can be the queen on Friday. It's Saturday and Sunday, Monday too. And the way you move is like you own the room. Everybody gonna turn their heads and look at you, yeah. What you gonna do?
All right, guys, so you guys saw the process of me getting this installed. So the thing that took the longest was the braid down, because she's very serious about her breakdowns, and it was super flat. And I've seen some of her breakdowns last on some of her clients on her Instagram like 2 and 3 months. So the breakdown took about an hour or a little bit more. And then she didn't use both bundles because it's 150 grams, I think, per bundle, which is it's a very full bundle. She asked me did I want it to look natural or like be more full, and I was like, I don't know. And she was like, let's just try natural. So I still have this much hair, and yeah, it feels good to me. And I told her that I wanted some curls in it so I could show you guys what it looked like curled. But you guys should know, like, regardless of the company, Kinky Straight hair does not hold as long as textures like body wave textures and stuff like that. Kinky Straight textures fall a lot faster. Now, it can hold a curl. It's just probably not going to look like this tomorrow, okay? Which is fine, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like curled. This is very pretty. And I was looking at her process because, I mean, I do wigs, so it's similar, but it's not similar. She didn't use a hot comb. I thought she was going to have to pull out the hot comb because I have type 4 hair. She just used 2 different size flat irons, and I was like, oh, I thought she was going to pull that out. And I think this looks good. I think it looks good. I've already like booked a maintenance appointment at the end of December. So if you guys want to see an update, let me know, because it's going to be in my head for at least a month. And this hair is very pretty. So I got 2 bundles of 20 inches, and this is where 20 inches falls on me. And I'm 6 feet tall. I was considering getting something longer, but they just had 20 inches that would ship faster, so I was like, that's fine, just send me the 20 inches. And it's cute. I don't know about shedding or tangling, but I don't feel like, when I was running my hands through the bundles yesterday after I washed, well, this morning after I washed them and blow dried them, it felt fine. So it's just the first day, so no issues. It feels very soft, and the way she braided it, she used a net as well. Like, I see some people just go right in with sewing the tracks onto the braids, but she used a net and then she started to sew it in, and it's not too tight. Like, I feel a little bit of tension, but it's not like too tight. And I think it looks really, really pretty. So I don't know, your girl might be a sewing girl every now and then, but I feel like this is thin enough to where I could, if I wanted to do a wig review or two, I could put it underneath a wig cap, but I don't think I'm gonna do that for a while. But this is really pretty. It's gonna be nice not to think about my lace for a while. Like, it's gonna be really nice. So if you're interested in these Kinky Straight bundles from Curlsqueen, I'll have it linked down below. I'm sure they're probably gonna have like a Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. If they are, the codes and everything will be in the description box. This is a good time to buy human hair. It really is, because, you know, human hair tends to be more expensive, and then this is when all the deals are happening. So if you're interested in this hair, it'll be linked down below. Shout out to Curlsqueen for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.